Webflow Conversion Tracking, the complete server-side setup via GTM and Stape. Your agency builds client websites on Webflow. Your conversion tracking is browser only. Ad blockers are killing your data. In this video, I will show you the complete server-side tracking setup for Webflow using GTM and Stape. Hi, I'm Zubayer, Marketing Attribution, Conversion Tracking and Server-Side Tracking Specialist. Webflow is growing fast as an agency website platform, but zero server-side tracking tutorials exist for it. Today, GTM enable installation, form tracking, step server, container connection, and full conversion setup. Step 1. Install GTM on Webflow. Go to Site Settings, then Custom Code. Paste your GTM head snippet in the head code section. Paste the GTM body snippet in the footer code section. This is the correct location for site-wide GTM installation. Page settings only fire GTM on individual pages. Publish the site after saving. Always test on the live published URL as GTM does not fire on editor PUs. Step 2. Webflow form tracking. These forms don't reload the page, they display successful state. Webflow fires a native JavaScript event called form submit. We'll use a custom HTML tag in GTM to push this to the data layer. Create a custom event trigger in GTM where the event name equals Webflow ____form___submit. Step 3. GCL ID and UTM capture. Add hidden fields to your Webflow forms for gclide, fbclide, and UTM parameters. Use a GTM custom HTML tag to populate these from cookies, ensuring you capture attribution data at the source. Step 4. Connect GA4 to Stape. In your GTM web container, update the server container URL to your Stape custom domain. This routes all GA4 events through Stape instead of directly to Google, bypassing browser restrictions. Step 5. Server-side conversion tags. In Step, create tags for Google Ads, Meta the 100, API and GA4. Map order ID to event ID for deduplication and include hashed email and phone data for higher match rates. Step 6. Webflow e-commerce. If you have a store, add a purchased event for the order confirmation page. Create a page view trigger for the order confirmed URL and route the e-commerce data layer through Stape. Testing is critical. Verify in GTM preview, Stape server preview, and GA4 debug view to ensure data is flowing. The result? Complete ad blocker resistant server-side tracking that captures every conversion for Google and Meta. If you want this setup for your agency, message me on WhatsApp or book a free audit. Subscribe for weekly tracking tutorials.